Yo, what's up, gamers? Welcome to the ultimate guide to conquering the high seas in Blox Fruits. Get ready for an action-packed adventure inspired by the legendary anime One Piece. We're diving deep into this Roblox phenomenon, covering everything from the basics to expert strategies. Imagine a world where you can sail the seven seas, battle fierce enemies, and unlock the power of mythical devil fruits. That's Blox Fruits in a nutshell. This game is all about exploration, combat, and becoming the strongest pirate on the server. With its vibrant world and addictive gameplay, Blox Fruits has taken the Roblox community by storm. Blox Fruits is a game of skill, strategy, and a little bit of luck. You'll need to master the art of combat, learn the strengths and weaknesses of different devil fruits, and grind your way to the top. In this guide, we'll be your trusty navigators, guiding you through every step of your Blox Fruits journey. So buckle up because things are about to get epic. Before you embark on your grand adventure, you'll need to create your very own pirate. Blox Fruits gives you the freedom to customize your character's appearance, from their hairstyle and clothing to their weapons and accessories. Want to be a sword-wielding warrior? Go for it. Prefer to be a cunning sniper? You got it. The choice is yours. Once you've crafted your perfect pirate, it's time to decide on your starting point. As a new player, you'll spawn on a small island with basic enemies and quests to get you started. This is your training ground, where you'll learn the ropes of combat, gather your first few levels, and earn some belly, the in-game currency. Don't be afraid to experiment with different weapons and fighting styles to find what suits you best. As you progress, you'll unlock new islands with stronger enemies and more challenging quests. The world of Blox Fruits is vast and filled with secrets to uncover, from hidden treasures to powerful bosses. So train hard, gather powerful allies, and prepare for the adventure of a lifetime. The world of Blox Fruits is a vast and ever-changing archipelago, with each island offering unique challenges, enemies, and rewards. From the lush jungles of Jungle Island to the scorching deserts of Desert Kingdom, there's a world of exploration waiting for you. As you sail from island to island, you'll encounter a diverse cast of characters, some friendly, some not so much. Each island has its own level recommendation, so it's important to choose your battles wisely. Venturing into an area too high above your level can be a recipe for disaster, while sticking to areas far below your level will slow down your progress. The key is to find that sweet spot where you're challenged but not overwhelmed. Exploring the world of Blox Fruits is an adventure in itself, so hoist the sails, set a course for adventure, and let the winds guide you to new and exciting discoveries. Combat is the heart and soul of Blox Fruits, and mastering it is essential for your survival and success. The game offers a variety of fighting styles, each with its own unique moveset, strengths, and weaknesses. You can choose to specialize in one style or become a versatile fighter by learning multiple styles. Basic combat involves a combination of swordsmanship, gunplay, and devil fruit abilities. You'll need to master the art of dodging, blocking, and counterattacking to overcome your enemies. Timing is crucial, as a well-timed dodge can mean the difference between victory and defeat. As you progress, you'll unlock new combat skills and abilities, adding depth and complexity to your fighting style. Experiment with different fighting styles, find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to adapt your strategies as you face new and more challenging enemies. Remember, the path to becoming a pirate legend is paved with the victories you earn through skill and determination. Section 5. Fruits of Power. Awakening your potential. One of the most exciting aspects of Blox Fruits is the ability to obtain and master devil fruits, mystical fruits that grant their users superhuman powers. From the fiery might of the Mera Mera no Mi to the lightning-fast speed of the Goro Goro no Mi, each devil fruit offers a unique set of abilities that can turn the tide of battle in your favor. Devil fruits are divided into three categories: Paramecia, Zoan, and Logia. Paramecia fruits grant a wide range of abilities, from manipulating gravity to controlling elements. Zoan fruits allow the user to transform into different animals, granting them enhanced strength, speed, and senses. Logia fruits are the rarest and most powerful, granting the user control over natural elements and making them incredibly difficult to damage. Once you have a devil fruit, you'll need to eat it to activate its powers. But be warned, consuming a devil fruit comes with a price: the loss of your ability to swim. With the right devil fruit and a bit of ingenuity, you can become an unstoppable force on the battlefield. Section 6. Level up your game tips and tricks. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some advanced tips and tricks to help you level up your Blox Fruits game. These strategies will give you an edge in combat, accelerate your progress, and set you on the path to becoming a true pirate legend. First and foremost, prioritize completing quests. Quests are a great way to earn experience points, belly, and valuable rewards. Focus on completing quests that align with your current level and goals. Don't be afraid to ask for help from other players if you're struggling with a particular quest. Next, master the art of farming. Farming involves defeating enemies repeatedly to gain experience points and collect loot. Find areas with high enemy spawn rates and farm efficiently to level up quickly. You can also farm for specific items, such as devil fruits or rare weapons. Another crucial tip is to join a crew. Crews are groups of players who team up to tackle challenging content, such as raids and boss fights. Being part of a crew gives you access to valuable resources, support from experienced players, and a sense of community within the game. Section 7. The grind begins. Farming for glory. The path to becoming a Blox Fruits legend is paved with dedication, and let's be honest, a whole lot of grinding. But fear not, aspiring pirates, for we're here to guide you through the most efficient farming methods to maximize your gains and minimize your frustration. Early game farming is all about finding the right balance between experience points and belly. Focus on completing quests and defeating enemies in areas slightly above your level. As you progress, shift your focus towards farming specific items, such as devil fruits or materials for crafting powerful weapons and armor. Mid-game farming requires a more strategic approach. Identify areas with high enemy spawn rates and valuable loot drops. Utilize AoE, Area of Effect attacks, and devil fruit abilities to clear out enemies quickly and efficiently. Don't be afraid to experiment with different farming locations and strategies to find what works best for you. Endgame farming is all about maximizing your efficiency. The rewards will be worth it when you're sailing the seas as a true Blox Fruits powerhouse. Section 8. The power of teamwork, joining forces. While you can certainly chart your own course in Blox Fruits, the journey is far more enjoyable and rewarding when shared with a loyal crew. Joining forces with other players unlocks a world of possibilities, from tackling challenging content to simply having a blast exploring the vast archipelago. Crews offer a range of benefits, including access to exclusive raids, shared resources, and a supportive community of like-minded pirates. When choosing a crew, consider your playstyle, goals, and the overall atmosphere of the group. A good crew should feel like a second family where you can rely on your shipmates for support, advice, and a good laugh. Communication is key to successful teamwork in Blox Fruits. So hoist the Jolly Roger, gather your mates, and set sail for glory. Section 9. Conquering the Grand Line, Endgame, and beyond. Congratulations, aspiring pirate! You've braved treacherous seas, mastered the art of combat, and assembled a fearsome crew. Now the true test of your skills awaits, conquering the Grand Line, the most dangerous and rewarding region in all of Blox Fruits. The Grand Line is home to the strongest enemies, the rarest treasures, and the most coveted titles in the game. To even set foot on these hallowed shores, you'll need to reach the level cap, acquire top-tier gear, and hone your skills to perfection. Here, you'll face off against legendary bosses inspired by the One Piece anime, each with their own unique mechanics and devastating attacks. Victory will require flawless teamwork, strategic use of devil fruit abilities, and a healthy dose of courage. But the rewards for conquering the Grand Line are well worth the effort. Section 10. Set sail for adventure. And there you have it, aspiring pirates. You're now armed with the knowledge, tips, and strategies to navigate the exciting world of Blox Fruits. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. So embrace the grind, experiment with different playstyles, and most importantly, have fun. The world of Blox Fruits is constantly evolving, with new updates, content, and challenges being added all the time. So stay curious, explore every nook and cranny of the archipelago, and never stop pushing your limits. The life of a pirate is one of adventure, camaraderie, and the pursuit of glory. See you on the high seas!